Expansion 4. India. Page 76. Listening Task 1. Information. Exercise A. Listen. People are talking about India. What are the topics? Check the correct answers. 1.
India is the sixth largest country in the world. It is located in South Asia. India is home to many people from different cultures, and they speak many languages. In fact, India has 22 different national languages in addition to the official language, Hindi. English is also used for official purposes.
2.
India is famous for its food, especially its spicy dishes. Curry dishes with chicken, lamb, or vegetables are very popular. Beef is not served often because many Indians don't eat beef for religious reasons. India is also known for tropical fruits. There is even a national fruit, the mango. Indians drink many fruit juices, and Indian tea is famous all over the world.
3.
It was an Indian scientist named Aryabhata who invented the number 0 more than 2,000 years ago. Aryabhata may also have been the first person to say that the Earth is round, like a ball. His work helped Indians invent some of their first calendars. Today, math and science, and especially computer science, are popular subjects for Indian students.
4.
India is well known for its movie industry. Unlike Western movies, Indian movies with action, fighting, and violence may also include romantic scenes with music, singing, and dancing. Indian films are known for their beautiful colors and clothing. People around the world are watching more and more Indian movies in theaters and at home.
Page 76. Exercise B. Listen again. Circle the correct answers.